Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa camera when you get this message, unable to connect to your Kasa Spot Wi-Fi or any other Kasa camera. So basically the cell phone is trying to connect the camera to give the camera the information necessary to connect to a router, right? That's the first step. You need to connect to the camera first. So here you can try again. But when the camera is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, it's really trying to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. So you need to come here to your Wi-Fi and select Kasa camera. That's the way to go, okay? Then the camera connects to the phone. And here in my case, I'm resetting the camera and just to connect to a new Wi-Fi signal. And so I select here, do not reset, right? Just to connect to Wi-Fi. Then I select my Wi-Fi, insert the password here and hit join. Now it's connecting to the router, right? So first, just make sure your phone is connecting to the camera signals when you look for the Wi-Fi. And later, after the connection, then you inform the Wi-Fi you want the camera to connect to, okay? So that's the reason your camera was not connecting to the Wi-Fi, right? Now it's running the process and you just need to finish to set up the camera and you're good to go, okay? So that's the way you can solve the problem with the unable to connect to your Kasa to Wi-Fi camera, right? Here just save everything, give the camera name, save the location, and just skip here everything. I'm gonna do this later. Let me just change the camera position here so you see that's working there. There we go. Sounds good. Skip this and back to the camera. Exit here and skip for now. And now I see that the camera is working back there, okay? So pretty easy and it's working. Okay, problem solved. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.